Spring Hill, Tennessee. It's a small town just south of Franklin, and it's becoming ever more popular with buyers who are choosing to make the move.
People are being drawn to this area for its small town feel, convenient access, local boutiques, and local coffee shops, just like 1819 Coffee.
So if you're looking for a great home with an open floor plan and close to all the local amenities, then come with us as we bring our latest listing back to market, 1706 Sorrel Park Drive. Let's go check it out.
You got to move it when you move it, you wanna be first. Down the spinning circles inside my head, I can feel it round and round we go. I can't touch the space, can't feel the fabric, but I should never let myself flow. Got me spinning circles inside my head, I can feel it round and round we go. I can't touch the space, can't feel the fabric, but I should never let myself flow. And that's where I say, don't believe in your head. And that's where I say, I got to move it when you move it, be the one that lasts. Got me spinning circles inside my head.